Here we come to the main elevators at Houston Hobby Airport in the new expansion. Well, we got one over here. Might be people in it, so. This is an updated take on this elevator here, so.
Did they redo this cab?
No, it was the same last time when I came here back in 2019.
Oh, okay.
But I think these elevators were installed in 2016.
2016?
Or 2015, or I have to check, but I'm sure.
First floor. Going up.
I just realized the parking elevators that we filmed are the blue elevators.
Third floor.
I think these are Gen 2.
Yeah, they are. I'm gonna send this down. I want to get the other one.
Going
Okay.
down.
I don't think the other one's working.
Yeah, apparently not. So why don't we just take this one and hang on to it?
Okay.
Second floor.
Mirror 2.
Going up.
Certain measures have been implemented to ensure air transportation safety.
There it goes.
Please pay particular attention to the luggage and personal belongings. Unless you want to get rid of
Sam was not showing me today.
do not